it's me Ella, and I'm back here again. Today we're making slime! And this is the same day as the other day, making the granola and stuff. But yeah, let's get on to this video! So let's first say our ingredients. You're going to need borax, and that's in there. And I'll just tell you the measurements as we go on. Glitter glue, of course, or glue, but preferably glitter glue. Then 2 bowls and a spoon. And of course, measured water. So first you're going to throw in your glue. That looks so cool, guys. That's why if I could get glue out. That's a pretty easy way to get glue out. Sorry about the noise, I don't know what's going on back there. Alright guys, this might take a while. That was easy. Alright guys, thank you for holding on. Now you're going to put a tablespoon of borax.
Just pour it in the bowl.
Oh, just pour it in
and that's the
bowl.
borax.
And it has to be level.
Yes, and it's a non-toxic.
Non-toxic. The only, if you're 1 and under,
1 or 2 years old.
1 or 2 years old, do not use this with any little children like that, because they might put it in their eyes, on their face,
In the mouth.
in the mouth and stuff. And that's like if you saw like all those news things going around that kids are like burning up their hands. No, it's not because of the borax. It's because they did something wrong, like this.
No, just pour it in, honey. Now you're using, for your glue, for the glitter glue, it's 8 ounces. Say it says 8 ounces. And so we measured 8 ounces of water. Go ahead and pour that in there. And borax itself, the 20 mule team borax, is non-toxic.
And it comes from the earth.
And it's from the earth, and it's a natural mineral.
We're back. Alright, so what's the next step?
Well, Ella now has the water, part of the water in the glue bottle, because we want to get all of that nice glue out of the bottle. So now you're going to shake it, shake it, shake it. Looks like we may just have enough here. So you can open it up.
Shake it however you can.
Yeah, just shake it. And you can open it up and pour that into the glue.
Okay. Exploding!
Aha!
It actually works, this recipe. So that means you have to get your hands in there like... Ew. Alright, now I think it's time to go in with our hands.
I think that might be an idea.
Alright, this is what all YouTubers like to make slime. And I say all because it's all actually how they make slime.
But what do you do with the slime?
You play with it. Alright, this needs a little bit more mixing to do. Do you guys want to see it like up close?
Whoa! But there sure is a lot of water. I thought that was supposed to absorb into the water.
I'm not quite sure how this works that much. See, that's seriously the coolest slime I ever played with.
Ooh.
Seriously. I thought the first time when I made slime, that was cool. No. This is amazing.
Now, are your hands burning?
Nope.
Not even bothering you a bit, huh?
Nope.
You gonna eat any of it?
No.
Okay. Then I think we're safe, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
As safe as can be. And like this stuff in the bowl is not really that slimy, so you're just gonna want to leave that in there.
I'd leave that in there, but I'd put the slime back in too and just keep working it and working it and working it. I think that's how the magic begins to really come together and happen. Because we just use the exact amount that was called for here.
I got like a kit from Walmart, but it worked, but like it was already hardened out by like making it.
Oh yeah? So this is a completely different recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, oh my goodness, doesn't look like we have anything in there.
No.
It just dissolved? Hey, do we got slime or did it just all go into the water?
We got slime.
Whoa! And it
Green,
stretches.
Green.
Ooh, I almost seen a blue in here too.
Me too.
Does it glitter?
Yeah, look.
Whoa!
Ooh, it looks clear
I'm
there.
making a slime swirl.
And you go like this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we got glitter in our slime.
This is all
Whoa!
because of Walmart's help, because you just have to go to Walmart and get. Basically, the main ingredient is basically the mule stuff, well, the mule borax, and the glitter glue, or glue, or whatever.
Yeah, water.
Dad, you want to use this one too? Because I like this one. I'm satisfied. Can I do slime swirl?
Slime swirl.
Whoa, gosh.
Woo
Do
woo.
you? I'll have this one now.
It's like flubber.
I know. Oh man.
Remember that movie we seen, Flubber?
Why don't you bounce
I
it
like it.
again?
Ready?
Oh.
Ready? Hi.
Oh.
Whoa!
Sorry, could you hand that back, please? Thank you. Ah. Good thing it didn't get on the laptop.
Yeah.
yeah.
Do this video.
We would have went to edit real quick.
Wow, Ella, that looks pretty good. I wonder if you could. I used to blow bubbles with my silly putty.
Could I? No, you need a straw. Could I have a straw? Does somebody
No.
have a straw?
Do I have one? Ooh, this is pretty cool stuff here.
No, or not. Or crunchy, whatever we call it. But, be quiet, guys. I see a bubble. Do I pop it?
Sure.
Ah, that pop. Then after that gets too filled, you go with that. And we could one day look up how to make fidget spinners one day. Because those could actually make.
So,
I give this a thumbs up, guys. I wish I could just talk to you guys all day. But I'll just be not so easy. I'm seeing if this slime could do a slime swirl. I guess not. Hold on.
it should stay in the refrigerator for a couple of days, I would think. If we put it in a Ziploc bag or a
Yeah. Hiya.
or a plastic container, maybe. But I'm wondering what happens if you put it back in the water now.
I don't know. I don't want to take the chance.
I don't think it'll fall apart, do you?
I have a feeling it would. Let me take a little flash of it and get my hands wet. Right now, see how it's gonna do. It just gets water, like, see how it's more jiggly now? But it could stretch into a slime swirl, so I'm gonna do it for you guys, okay? I never did a slime stretch, don't judge me.
You never did this one before?
A slime stretch.
Wow,
I don't know how you
okay.
do this. Karina Garcia's like the pro at it.
Well, you might want to put a little more water on it and keep your hands slippery,
Oh,
maybe.
guys, look, I did a slime swirl.
Whoa!
It actually works. The slime swirl, and then you poke it. It actually goes jiggly a little bit.
Okay, so thumbs up or thumbs down? Woohoo! 2 thumbs up. Well, so I guess Ella, she's so busy, she's forgetting to say goodbye.
Oh, bye.